I will give you a warning before we start today's upload. As you can tell, it is a mess. If you guys didn't see the new car, it's chilling here. So far so good, really good. There's a link over here for the review it, and nothing special, but I want to share its car, right? So before you guys get mad on me, because some people are very sensitive and they get really mad when you know, the thumbnail doesn't do its job. Anyway, today is not about cars at all. I need to do some project in my basement, and I want to show you guys exactly what I do and how I do it. You guys saw that I almost showed you guys the wall, but today I'm gonna paint the ceiling in black. That's the second step of our gym. And it's gonna be just a space for me and my wife and my kid, but I want to share with you guys because this is normally when I work on cars, but sometimes I have to spend time working on other projects is not car related, and I figure I will start sharing my life with you, so you better just hang in there and watch. So what I gotta do now, I'm going to Home Depot, renting the machine to paint it. I prep everything yesterday, and I'll probably spend the entire day today painting. So I'm not gonna show you guys all the Home Depot stuff because you guys know how it goes. I hope they have the machine. Just like that, we are back home. I told you I would not show you the Home Depot stuff because you guys are tired of it. I got a spray painter and some buckets, and that should be enough. It's gonna be my first time using the spray painter, which I'm very excited. I hope I can get the job done. Now it's like 8 o'clock, so we have a lot to get done. All right, here it's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna paint the entire ceiling. I don't know if you have an idea how big it is. So I put all the furnace, I have like a refrigerator there and some couches and a fireplace and my gym equipment, so they are covered. So we should be able to paint everything in black using the machine. I have a 3-gallon, which now I'm scared that it's not gonna be enough, but we'll see how much this thing will help me. Can you imagine doing this on a paint, like brush or something like that? That would be crazy, right? So I'm gonna put like I'm gonna cover myself, of course, put goggles, and I'm gonna mix the paint that I got like 3 gallons of this for ceiling. It's paint and prime, so it should be good. So I don't want to do like a prime and then paint. But to use that machine from Home Depot, that one, you need a 5-gallon bucket. And that's what I have. So I'm gonna pour all my gallons there, and we should be ready to start. And let's suit up. All right, I got my goggles because last time I messed up so hard my glasses. As you guys probably can tell, I'm blind, so I need my glasses intact. So I'm gonna use the goggles, and I got this heavy duty cover all, also from Home Depot, which has a hoodie, which is pretty cool. I'm gonna wear this. The only thing is they only have extra large. I'm a small guy, so you can tell what's gonna happen, right? All right, so and then we got a hoodie. Of course, I'm not gonna mess up my hard workforce hat, so that's staying there. Then we can close up to here and put in my face mask, and I need gloves too. Next couple of projects that I have done, I'm trying to be really careful with like safety stuff, you know what I'm saying, like cover myself, cover everything, because I was really bad at it. So I think at this time I got everything I needed. I just set up the machine, and so you put the bucket there and you let prime You gotta prime the hose as well because there's water on it. And now I think I'm ready to spray. And let's see how that goes. Again, it's my first time doing it. So let's rip. DSLR camera stopped working because the SD card is full. So I finished. You gotta, not sure how good you guys will be able to see because here is very dark. Like it's dark even with the LED lights that I put in there. But that's the final result. Look how dirty I am. Look at this. I don't know, I cannot see because I'm using the GoPro, but first time I bought it 3 gallons, of course it wasn't enough. I had to go back buy 6 more, so I used it 9 gallons. And still missing some spots. You see, it's still drying. Some spots are still missing, but I also paint the white. Can you tell? I don't know if the camera will adjust. The camera looks like there are like spots, but I think it's the shadow. So if I get really close, you can see. There we go. So in 5 gallons was enough for that wall, for that wall, for this wall, and for that wall. This wall I still need to work on, and I'm glad that I did this first because look at the floor and I clean it. This is clean, and I cannot wait to show you guys when this entire place is done. Now the decision is what are we gonna do with the floor. So we have a couple of options. We have epoxy, I have tile. So it's a basement. I don't want to go crazy. The good thing about tile, my father-in-law can help me install because he does that on the side. So he knows a lot. So it would probably be, the labor would be free, but I don't know how expensive the material is. It's coming along, it's coming along. Of course, over here it is a mess. I will deal with this later at some point. Look at this. A bunch of stuff should be here, but I don't know. I have to give away a lot of stuff. I don't have time to do anything with the cars. I need to. The reason why the SD card on this camera is full, it's because I have a lot of videos to edit. And I just don't have time. The old hood is probably gonna be on that wall, and I'll probably do the same with the garage walls, and then we're gonna do the floor as well. But hey, step by step, we'll get there. I need to return the machine to Home Depot. That was the machine that I used it. 75 bucks per day. I use it probably half day, and that's it. So it's time to. I'll take a shower and then. I'll take this back. I just want to share it with you guys. This is probably a crazy upload. I'm not sure if I will upload this, but at some point, just to bring you guys on the side of my life that you guys never see. And I hope you guys enjoy. That's the main goal. I hope it give you guys some entertainment. You guys know it's MATTY'S garage, but I want to be a different garage that shares life in general, not only cars. So sometimes I know sometimes you guys are gonna watch, sometimes you guys don't, but I just feel like more connect when I share more than only car modifications with you all. All right, I hope you guys enjoy. I'm super tired. I'll go home. Actually, I'm home, but I'll take a shower, take this bad boy to Home Depot, and I'll rest a little bit because I'm super tired. I hope you guys enjoy. Never forget, enjoy life, work hard for it.